Okay. I can go now, baby. No, you're not getting even
the sun
a
is
taxi
too much.
here.
But I actually to do a boat. Why?
They said the boat can't come. I'm surprised. See.
Oh, come on.
So
I
we
don't
just
have
have
it on my phone.
to get another alternative.
Then we have to walk towards and then see if we can get a taxi or.
What do you think we'll get a taxi here? Let's just stand here and wait for a while.
It's too much. I can't be in the sun like this.
Hey.
Come on.
Anyway, let's walk to the junction and see if we're going to get a taxi.
Sure, I'm gonna go so.
Oh. So what's up at workplace? What's going on today? You are so much in a hurry. I thought you've been going in the afternoon.
Oh no, I will visit shop and then from there I'll go and find something to eat here. I'll study.
Anyway. Hello? Achomuko baby. Hello, Muko baby, Anna, remember famo. Hello? Muko baby, Anna. Hello, Muko baby.
I can't get you.
This is Muko baby, Anna, one brother men famuko.
What do you mean?
Mumbrana men famuko. Muko baby. Mumbrana men famuko.
Oh, you want to
be back in this one?
Oh, thank you so much. God bless you.
Oh, Mumbrana men famuko.
Oh, no.
Oh, Mumbrana men famuko.
Stop the phone and then find a way to leave.
Mumbrana men famuko.
I'm going.
Where are you going to?
No, we are going to.
She's the bike. Yeah. No, hell no. Please come back.
Oh, come on.
Sit on this bike.
Hey.
Oh, Mumbra. Medemabako.
You are coming, okay? Yeah.
Oh, bra. Oh, bra, Medemabako.
Are you sure?
You're going to join this bike.
Yeah.
Like really. Let's go
what's
for a
that?
taxi or a boat, please.
Wait, come on, and
No,
join me.
you have to come down. Please come down. Please.
So
I'll call you back here. Thank you.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. Baby, calm down. Just calm down. What is this? Look, she's a fool. Like, how can you join her? What, you want to sit on the ass?
No, it's not like it's
And
not
I'm
like
But she's already full on the bike. So you're not going anywhere. You won't join this bike. Mind
Hey,
dear,
what's
let's
up?
just wait for
Why,
a
what?
taxi.
Hello.
A cab.
What's going on
Can you
here?
imagine? She actually wanted to give us a helping hand by saying my husband should join her on the bike. My husband can't join because the bike is already full.
We kept so much long
Her
here.
ass has already covered everything.
To live here.
Oh, madam, it's okay.
Look where let's see. No, so tell.
It was like
How
this.
can the two of us be on this bike?
Let me make it happen.
How?
She can't be on this.
I cannot be in the sun. Look, you don't know how long we've been standing
We
here.
will still wait for a cab. You're not
Okay.
joining this bike.
Alright.
Madam, please, thank you very much. You can go.
Relax.
Just, please.
Do the boats.
Into more no.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh, motor say to me funny for 4 o'clock. It's me for 4. Me to say ya oh. Me to say ya. Then you could ask me. I don't know so ya. It's me funny for 4.
Into a baby into a uti to a
Hey, who is all classy? Oh, say Banipa back waiting at another go.
Baby, I'm meeting crown over to me.
Oh, quite the papa. Quite the whole year.
My nigga, my nizzle. What's up? Keke driver.
Yes.
Keke driver to the whole yasin. Number 1 keke nazen.
Yes. Ah, the pound for more on a minute be almost a motor nice as Ryan.
Banano.
Hey, mammy, cousin Joe. If you teach him to come on, when you scan, I ain't a tough floor. I'm for property. Get him for 5, with me for 6.
One who get an officer the time. We were 2 watching the pocket one.
I didn't know time.
Okay. Take 1.
Put it to call you
for people go very the campus or the mayor the echo. What are you? Sparky.
I did. Hey, Minia, hey, Bema.
I don't put to any man.
Hey,
see over to me.
We are Flana. We
see never told me.
Didn't go to go.
Oh, no.
I did over to me how to
now,
young motor will check a press out of motor will check a press. Can go to me and call. Hey, boy, a long talk. We are Master. If I come up with you, go there. You feel an enemy. Why?
Me foul pork and poverty.
Betiaka.
Mummy, I don't know. Hey, blah. Me found. Sir.
Why? Which are baby or Kodia Famako?
Sir.
Aye. Your cock Sparky.